Win as much as 600,000 pesos in any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio, the song Over the Mountains by Boston, brought to you by TAC Treasure Amusement Corporation and Bingo Pot.
Hello everyone, this is Paul Sapera and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio, final stretch of this radio show. Time once again for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport, updates and a whole lot more. The BI Dagat 2024 will be happening tomorrow, September 25. Wala namang suspension ulit. Okay, this has been suspended because of inclement weather. Pero so far, we're having a good weather. Alright? Wag lang ulit babagyo bukas. Or mamaya, wag naman sana para matuloy na yung ating BI Dagat Coastal Cleanup September 25. It's gonna be tomorrow starting at 7 a.m. Register muna for palista. Kung nagparehistro na kayo, iba pa yung palista bukas, syempre. Yung palista bukas yung actual na parang attendance na nandoon pumunta, no? Okay? So it's gonna be at the Lighthouse Marina. Kita-kits muna doon ng 7 a.m. Bring your cleaning materials with you and cleaning gears and be in your work clothes. Okay? Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-protective clothing, ha? Yung proteksyonan niyo ang sarili ninyo. It would be best if you're gonna be wearing boots. Di ba? Yung puncture-proof boots. Alam mo na, maglilinis tayo. Baka may maapakan tayo mga matutulis na bagay, bubog. Kung naka-work boots ka, especially yun talagang work boots, hindi yung boots na plastic lang na rubber na parang plastic lang na nabubutas pa rin yun eh. Iba pa rin yung work boots talaga, okay? And have something to protect your hands. The leather gloves would be best, okay? And what else? Your clothes, okay? Protective clothes. Long sleeve siguro and jeans. Yan, para talagang covered yung body mo, okay? So, see you tomorrow. BI Dagat 2024 Coastal Cleanup in celebration of the International Coastal Cleanup din. SM spearheaded their Coastal Cleanup last September 21. Ito naman yung sa atin. Part of the Ecologies BI Festival. Okay? So, there you have it. It's gonna be tomorrow. Tuloy na. Well, so far, hindi naman mabagyo. And the last remaining, also remind you, the last remaining events for the National Tourism Week celebration. Tomorrow, September 25, we will be having the Tourism Rhythm Dance Battle. Okay? So, alam mo, hurado pa lang dyan, pang malakasan hurado pa lang Si DJ Lolo Nyo. He's gonna be one of the judges there. Alam niyo naman, yung mga dance video, TikTok video niya, nag-viral along with his apos. Yan, okay? So, you guys can check his videos. Hanapin nyo lang, hashtag DJ Lolo Nyo. Diretso lang, DJ Lolo Nyo. Okay? As it is spoken, the spelling. He's gonna be one of the judges. And the schools from in and around Subic Bay Freeport will be battling it out. Sila yung mga maglalaban doon. Okay? Magkikita-kits tayo, ha? Alright? Sa September 25, that's gonna be tomorrow, Wednesday, at the Activity Center of the Harbor Point Ayala Mall. Okay? And then speaking of the NTW, National Tourism Week events, ito na yung pang-last, outreach program, September 27, which is also the International Tourism Day mismo. Ayan, ang September 27. Okay? The outreach program of the SBMA Tourism Department. And right about now, we want to say hi and happy listening sa mga staff, the owners and staff of Mang Tomas, Lechon Manok at iba pa. Okay? Hindi po ako kasama sa owner, ha? Mang Tomas lang talaga yung pangalan. Na Lechon Manok, liyan po at iba pa. The food truck is always parked at the Alpha Mart store in Santa Rita. Yung paglagpas lang ng tulay, no? Pagbaba ng tulay, there's the Alpha Mart there, di ba? Okay? Nandoon po sa parking lot area doon, yung food truck of Mang Tomas, lechon manok, liempo at iba pa. Okay? And they are inviting you to check out the Lechong Baka. Ayan, new addition. Actually, meron na dati to eh. They just put it back, no? The Lechon Baka. Try nyo rin yung classic lechon manok. Alright? The pork liempo, pati yung atsara na masarap. 70 pesos lang. Okay? Try nyo. It's at Mang Tomas, Lechon Manok, Liempo at iba ba? Alphamart 5 parking lot. For inquiries, you may call or text. Pwede rin, I think pwede rin magpa-deliver, no? Tanong nyo na lang. 0960-379-5024. Alright. And final set of invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Free Coke is still ongoing in celebration of the 124th anniversary of the Civil Service Commission. Merong free Coca-Cola for all employees of the government. Okay, kahit anong sangayin pa ng gobyerno yan. Mga pulis, mga bombero, fireman. Yeah, mga actually ang Tagalog talaga exact translation of fireman, fire brigade, mga kagawad ng pamatay sunog. Yan, okay? Sabi sa akin yan ng mga tropa natin sa fire department. Okay? So again, the free Coca-Cola, just bring with you your government ID. Free for all government employees and the pensioners, yung mga retired kasama pa rin, ha? Again, in celebration of the 124th anniversary of the Civil Service Commission. This is at all SM Food Court, all SM Supermalls, lahat. Basta may food court kasama. Okay? Next up, additional 10% discount for SM affiliate stores para sa lahat ng mga OFWs and their families. Okay? So, if you have OFW in your family, pati na rin yung family mo, they can avail of the 10% discount at all SM affiliates like Ace Hardware, Watson's, alright? Just show your Kabayan ATM card or passbook. Okay? Brought to you by BDO Remit and SM Supermalls. Kabayan Tuesdays, every first Tuesday of the month. Oh, malapit na October, no? Oh, antabayanan nyo yung first Tuesday of October. Meron ulit yan. Additional 10% off for OFWs, okay? And the much-awaited Transformers is showing, okay? Might as well give you the complete lineup of movies. What's showing at SM City Olongapo Downtown Cinemas and SM City Olongapo Central Cinemas. Here's the lineup. I have the lineup for ya. Now showing at the SM City Olongapo Central Cinemas, a movie schedule. Cinema 1, Tackley Genesis. Cinema 2, Transformers 1. Okay. Cinema 3, Never Let Go. Cinema 4, Unhappy For You. Cinema 5, Beetlejuice. Cinema 5, Jungkook. Back to back with Beetlejuice. Ayan. And Cinema 6, Transformers 1. And for SM Downtown, Unhappy For You, Cinema 1 back-to-back with Transformers 1. Cinema 2, Transformers 1 pa rin. And Cinema 3, Never Let Go, back-to-back with Jungkook, I Am Still. So those are the lineup of movies now showing. Okay, here's our next cool requested song. Or before I press play, by the way, last song na nga pala, no? I'm gonna end the show early. Yan, because I have important matters to attend to. This is gonna be my final song for you guys. Pasensya na yung mga hindi ko na nabasa na request, ha? Still, I'm gonna do my best. I'll put the songs on the playlist pa rin para sa inyo, yung mga nag-request, okay? So, this is the final song. It's from Bon Jovi, requested by the text hotline. It's called Living in Sin. And of course, as usual, we always end our program with the quotable quotes from our VACC, Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, official Facebook page. We have a lot of quotes there about social injustice, about, us being the bantay, gabay at tulay ng mga mamamayan in fighting crime and corruption. By the way, if you guys want to join us, you may reach out to me. Pwede nyo akong i-direct message. DM me if you want to be a member of the VACC, the Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption. Siyempre, ang may screening na kasama yan, hindi lang tayo basta tanggap lang ng tanggap, siyempre, okay? Kailangan, may kasamang interview po. Kailangan you need to have the passion, di ba? The passion to help out our kababayans, the passion to fight corruption, the passion to help those who are victims of heinous crimes. Ayan, tinutulungan po natin. We give assistance. Hindi kami yung crime fighter, hindi kami yung humahabol sa mga kriminal. We just show give assistance sa mga nangangailangan, and we expose yon. That's the important thing about there. We expose kung sino yung who needs to be exposed, na who are involved in corruption, who are involved in crime. Kaya yung aming important 3 words, bantay, gabay, tulay. Okay? So here's our final quote coming from the VACC official page. There will always be injustice and inequality whenever there are biased leaders. All right? That's our final parting words for you for this edition of the Morning Brew Show. And once again, here's the final song for you guys, Living in Sin from Bon Jovi. This one's from 1988. 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.